Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to import a dataset into Stata. So it sounds like pretty simple task here, and it really is. So let me show how. Let's say your dataset is an Excel file, and now you want it to import it to your Stata. So I open my Stata, and so once you open it, you go to File and then Import. So it's pretty simple. So there are many different types of file. It could be in SAS, or it could be in SPSS file, or CSV file, Excel spreadsheet. Whatever file type you have, you can just import it into Stata. So I have a file that is in Excel spreadsheet, so I'm gonna import the file into Stata. So click here and browse. If you browse it and you go to your local computer, and then you select the file. So for example, I'm gonna import this file, cross-country dataset, into Stata, and open. So now it asks you for first row, import first row as variable name. So this row basically, so we want that. So you always want the first row to be the variable names, right? So yeah, and then click OK, and here you go. So the data is loaded. You see in this right hand corner, these are the list of the variables and their levels. So you can also see it in your data editor. So it's in there. So you have now successfully imported your data set into Stata. So yeah, that's pretty simple. Thanks for watching. And if you have any comments, or if you have questions or any request, you can put your comment below. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if this is helpful.